everyone. Welcome to today's episode. My name is Adrienne Farrow. I am your Google BFF Digital Product Specialist and a Google for Education certified trainer. And today I am so excited to share with you my absolute favorite way to flatten your images and import them into Google Slides. So let's get started. Alrighty, so here we have my desktop. We got a Google Slides presentation going, and here is some backgrounds that I put in for some self-correcting task card templates that I'm working on. So the first thing that I do is I actually go ahead and I export this as a PDF. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this right here on my desktop and export as a PDF. Then I use this PDF Toolkit Plus app on the Mac store. So if you have a Mac, this is the way to go. If you have a PC, I'll go ahead and another episode talk about some other ways to flatten images for Google Slides. And then I go ahead and I open up, let's find it over here on the side, shall we? PDF Toolkit Plus right here. This is what it looks like. You might have this as the first screen that you see when it pops up, but what you want is this text images. So what you're going to do is then you're going to drag that PDF into this box so you have it right there, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure that your resolution is high at 300 dpi and that it's at a PNG. I have tried this very high resolution. It does not work to go into Google Slides. It is a little bit too big of a file. So, and then you want to make sure it's PNG because that is a high quality image file. So then you're going to go ahead and convert. So let's click convert. Then you're going to save the images in a folder. So you want to name it. Sometimes I just leave it as untitled because I'm lazy. Other times I will actually name it like now. So we'll do self-correcting task card background. And then you click save. And then now you have all of them right here. And I just want to give you an idea of the difference in the quality of the images if you were to come and download them straight from PowerPoint. So you do have the option of exporting the images. You can do a file, or you can go here to file format and go to PNG. And then you can save every slide or just that current slide. And I then click export. And it's been saved in a file, right? Actually, let's double check to make sure. It might have done it in desktop. Let's try that again. All right, yep, it did it in desktop. I want it on my desktop. And then I'm just gonna put like a PowerPoint at the end so I know that it's that. I'm gonna go to PNG, export. All right, now we should be good. All right. So let's do this one first. So Google Slides gives you like 5 different ways, I swear, maybe more, maybe less, to add in a background. You can right click directly on the slide and go to change background. You can go up here to change background. You can go here to change background, or you can go to slide, change background. Okay, so 4 ways. It depends on my mood, but I do it a lot different ways. So you can go here to choose image and you can browse, or you can drag a file here. So if I go over here to the side, I have my images here. So I'm going to drag that over. And there you go. Now you have your image in the background. It will stay there. No one can lift it. They can't save it. It's just completely static in the background. You can do, like if you have multiple slides, let's just do a whole bunch of blank slides. You can click on, I just held down shift and I clicked from the top to the bottom. So all of those are highlighted, and you can go to change background here, choose image, and then let's drag over this one. And now all of those are the same image. There is not an easy way directly in Google Slides to do multiple different images as slide backgrounds, but in a different video, I will be showing you how to use one of my favorite extensions called Slide Toolbox. It's right here, Slides Toolbox, to do a multiple images. So stay tuned for that one. So, okay, we have this one. Let's do this yellow here. And then we're going to go and do slides.new, open up a new one. I always do a blank. Oops, let's do blank. All right, now I'm going to change the background and choose an image. We're going to do the yellow PowerPoint one. Here we go. All right. Do you see how the image quality there is very blurry? Like you can't even read the template name over here. So here is a side by side look at the two different qualities. So taking the image directly from a PDF versus downloading those PNGs from PowerPoint gives you a crisper quality to it. So this is my all-time favorite way to put the images as static images in the background, flatten it, however you want to say it. I usually use the word static because it doesn't move. Again, this only works for Mac, but I'll be on a future video to talk about PC options, but Slides Toolbox all the way, only $1.99, and I have definitely gotten my $2 worth of it using it. I think I've been using it for about 2.5 to 3 years now. So I'll link to that in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Check me out on Instagram at Especially Techie. Look for the link below for my free masterclass on how to digitize your products using Google, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.